Hello, you are welcome. I have a question here on trigonometry. Now, it says solve sine 2x minus 30 is equal to cos x plus 60. Now, when we want to solve a question like this, an equation like this, we have to remember the trigonometric rule that sine theta, for example, is equal to cos 90 minus theta. So that means the sine of an angle is equal to the cosine of 90 minus that angle. Don't forget, this is a very important rule in trigonometry, that the sine of an angle is equal to the cosine of 90 minus that angle. Now, let's see what we are going to get here now. If, for example, we ignore this sine and cosine part and say let theta now, for example, theta, using the same rule now, theta will be equal to 90 minus this angle. Theta will be equal to 90 minus this angle. So I'm trying to prove out a point here now. If the sine of an angle is equal to cosine 90 minus this angle, then you agree with me that we can show that this angle theta here is equal to 90 minus the angle that we have here in front of the cosine. So it will be 90 minus the 90 minus theta, because the sine of an angle is 90 minus whatever the cosine is. So theta is equal to 90 minus what we have in front of the cosine now. So let's solve further. So this will be 90. If we expand this bracket, negative multiplied by the positive 90 give us negative 90. Negative multiplied by negative theta will give us positive, because negative multiplied by negative is positive. So we have positive theta. So this 90 counts minus 90 is 0. So this theta, don't forget theta is here. So we can now show that theta is equal to positive theta that we have on the right here. So you can see now that we have been able to establish that if you ignore the sine and cosine part, the angle that you have on this left hand side is equal to 90 minus what you have on the right hand side. And that is what we just proved now. You can see now that it is exactly equal. That what you have on the left is equal to 90 minus what you have on the right. So with this shown now, you will agree with me now that what we have on the left from the original question, what we have on the left, which is 2x minus 30, that is ignoring the sine and cosine part now, will be equal to 90 minus what we have on the right, which is what we just proved to you here now. So it will be 90 minus whatever is on the right, and that is x plus 60. Hope you are getting it now. So whatever you have on the left is equal to 90 minus whatever you have on the right. And we have shown that from this little illustration here. So this is just the simple way to solve any trigonometric question like this. That what you have on the left is equal to 90 minus what you have on the right side. So with that now, we can simplify and obtain the value of x. So this is 2x minus 30 is equal to 90 negative multiplied by the positive x, we have negative x. Negative multiplied by positive 60, it gives us negative 60. Then let's now collect like terms. Let me collect like terms now. So I'll leave this 2x on this side, 2x. This negative x, if I bring it to the left-hand side, it becomes positive x. And is equal to 90 is already here, positive 90. Negative 60 is still on the right, so I'll still write it as negative 60. Please, it did not move to the left-hand side, so the sign is not changing because it is still on the right-hand side. So the sign remains negative 60. And then I have negative 30 coming to the right-hand side, it becomes positive 30. Then simplifying further now, I have 2x plus 1x. This is like 1x. 2x plus 1x is 3x. And is equal to 90 minus 60 is 30. And then 30 plus 30, that gives us 60. So now I now have 3x is equal to 60. So I can now divide both sides by 3. Divide this side by 3 and also divide this side by 3. And in that case, 3 will cancel 3. 3 cancel 3 here. And I'm left with x on this side. And is equal to 60 divided by 3 will give me 20. So the value of x is equal to 20. So this is how to solve equations like this. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video so that others can learn from it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.